Hi folks, this is Raj, founder of Carigaar. I'm back again with some news and updates. As we talk with more small business owners in our locality are more worried about their future because they are struggling in hiring, in attracting new customers, and in creating growth using technology. So it's very important for us to support more small businesses now than ever before. Our discussion should be shop local. Always the discussion should be shop local. Simple thing to understand. By investing small businesses, we are future proofing our economy for the long run. Our local news page will help small business owners, to promote their products, their services, offers, and their promotions. Local will be a complete news page only for small business owners, focusing everything on small businesses. Through local, we want to bring all mom and pop shops and all kind of small businesses on mainstream. Small businesses need a platform to shout out where they can present their products, their services, or any kind of news with no restrictions. Yes, social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, etc. They provide them to post, but with restriction, as there are lots of community guidelines to follow. In the end, if you don't follow the guidelines, you won't be able to post. So expressing your true business news can be a possibility of either blocking your news or your profile. But in local, business owners can express their thoughts, emotions, and feelings without any restrictions. Small business owners, start posting about your business, your thoughts, your business offers, your local promotions, about upcoming new products, your emotions, your feelings on local. Please feel free to reach me, your news reporter come editor. Reach me at support@carigaar.com. We invite everyone to join us and help our local businesses to grow. Let's support them. This is our today story. Again, next week we'll be back with some more updates. Thanks to everyone and have a wonderful week ahead. Thank you.